happening, Captain? I'm folding laundry as content, so you guys better expect this to be a video because it's gonna be, just FYI. Oh, Goat, by the way, this is gonna be a video. Goat has to edit Nova's panties for a video. Joden, it wouldn't even surprise me, dude. Hi, chat. Look at my pile of laundry. Oh shit! Look at my pile of fucking laundry, chat. So I'm gonna be folding laundry. This is my stream. This is where my content is. Woo! Alright. Look, a towel. Ukulele! There we go. I put my chat in the ukulele. Quit stalling, start folding. Oi! Oi! Fucking. I stall fucking everything, dude. Okay. Can you hear my ukulele phone chat? I have about this much washing to wash still in the laundry room. So basically what happened was when I was really depressed, I didn't want to do anything at all, which included washing clothes. So all of the energy that I actually had pretty much was going to just taking care of Chloe. So everything else, including cleaning the house, doing laundry, all that shit got neglected hard for like 6 months. And then I had to catch up on it. So I've done about half of it. And in that time of me not doing washing, Gavin and I pretty much, for me, Chloe, and myself, we just washed like the same 1 week of clothes. And if we needed more clothes after that, we just bought more. So the reason this pile is so big is because we bought a lot of unnecessary shit. When you're depressed, it's like you just don't have the energy to do anything and everything just seems like it's too much. So I'm folding all this stuff and then I'm gonna go through it and donate a lot of it to people who need it more than me because we don't really need it and it seems wasteful to have so many clothes that we don't even use. Also, I've got this tacky ass fucking outfit that I got from like Best and Less, which is like a cheap ass store. And it's like, I don't know if y'all can see this, but it's like leopard print. It's like a full tracksuit. There's like pants and shit. I don't know why I got it.
Weighs more for less at Best and Less.
Yo, is it like awkward for me that I have more viewers while I've been folding laundry than I've had on my stream playing games? Chat! What the fuck? What are y'all doing? What detergent do I use? Oh, fuck, dude. A liquid one? I don't know, honestly.
Previously on Lost.
You push this button, and this button, and that button. This is the soap that I use. It's called Surf. Surf. Yep. Also, look at this blanket. Look at this blanket, chat. You see this? This is really difficult to show you, actually. I don't know if you can see it. But this is hand knitted by one of my like great aunts for Chloe. They knitted it for Chloe and it was really sweet. And it's a rainbow. Y'all are committed as fuck. It's been 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes since I started my stream. Oh no. Oh no. Why is it taking me so long to fold laundry? Those of you guys that have been here since the beginning, how do you feel knowing that you've been watching me fold laundry for 40 minutes? Are you satisfied? Are you satisfied? Am I a good content creator, chat?
Are you not entertained?
Please say yes, I have no friends. I feel like you guys think that I've done nothing, but like I have. I've folded a lot. Okay? I've folded a lot! Oh, fuck. Alright. We can do this. We're adult. We just gotta power through. Cheer me on, chat, because I don't want to do this anymore. I hate it.
A few moments later.
Look at that dent, chat. Look, you can see the floor. You see it? Do you see it? Look at the fucking floor. Look at it. Do you know how to fold a fitted sheet, chat? You go like this, and then you go like this, and then you go like that. Fold it. Bam! I don't know how to play the ukulele break. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you, everybody. Whoa. I'll be here all day, probably, folding fucking laundry because I keep procrastinating. Shoutcasting laundry. Here comes Nova, finishing off the last 10 or so items in the pile from hell that she created on her own. Gonna be finishing it off here nice and strong. As long as she doesn't procrastinate or do something stupid, she'll finish this within the next 5 minutes. More socks coming in for the Novaaberries and a super wrinkly, very nice shirt that she probably should steam but doesn't actually know how. So she's just gonna throw it in a normal pile.
Previously on Buffy the Vampire Slayer.
Also, I'm gonna be periodically just like snatching things out of the pile. Those are gonna be my panties, which I don't want y'all to see. I thought I went through enough to not have them there, but hey, but I don't think I took all my panties out. So, well, my panties, yeet. Go away, panties. Well, panties. Well, panties. Too many panties. Chad, I can't keep the panties away. Ah, panties. I've got like a literal pile of panties behind me. Panties. 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 Wait, these are my panties. Fuck, how many panties do I have? Jesus, fuck. Yo, I need to minimize my panty collection. Nova here with way too many panties and about 1 million pairs of socks. None of them actually match each other. She's gonna be finishing off the last 2 items of the pile, finishing off with the jumper of her daughter and tossing it in her folded pile. Pog. We done, boys. We done. We fucking finished. It took 1 hour and 43 But we fucking finished. Huh. We done. I gotta vacuum now. But we done. I'm just gonna lay here for a minute. You know, I'm just gonna